Dishwasher. A machine for washing dishes automatically. Dish rack. A rack for draining washed dishes. Napkin. A piece of cloth or paper used for wiping the mouth and hands. Salt shaker. A container for dispensing salt. Pepper grinder. A tool for grinding peppercorns. Apron. A protective garment worn while cooking to keep clothes clean. Oven mitts. Protective mittens worn while handling hot dishes or pans. Baking sheet. A flat, metal tray used for baking in an oven. Cup. A small container for drinking. Mug. A large cup, often used for hot beverages. Toaster. An appliance for toasting bread. Blender. A kitchen appliance with rotating blades for blending or pureeing. Grater. A tool used for grating food into small pieces. Measuring cup. A container used for measuring ingredients. Spatula. A flat, flexible tool used for flipping or spreading. Colander. A bowl with perforations for draining water from food. Peeler. A tool for removing the outer skin of fruits or vegetables. Wrist. A utensil with wire loops used for beating or whipping. Strainer. A device for separating solid particles from liquid. Rolling pin. Cylindrical tool used for flattening dough. Cutlery. Utensils used for cutting and eating food, including knives, forks, and spoons. Tray. A flat, shallow container for carrying or holding items. Plate. A flat dish on which food is served or eaten. Bowl. A round, deep dish used for serving or eating food. Pot. A deep container, typically round, used for cooking on a stove. Pan. A shallow, flat-bottomed container used for cooking. Spoon. An eating or cooking utensil with a shallow bowl and a handle. Fork. A utensil with prongs used for eating or cooking. Stove. Used for cooking food, typically with burners or hot plates. Oven. A kitchen appliance used for baking, roasting, or heating food. Sink. A basin with a faucet for washing dishes and hands. Refrigerator. An appliance for keeping food and drinks cold. Microwave. An oven that uses microwaves to cook or heat food quickly. Knife. A sharp-edged tool used for cutting. Cutting board. A flat board used for cutting food.
Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.